setbacks. How you gonna find that needle in the haystack?
For now, babe, I'm not ready. I wanna Tagalog na lang, babe.
Yeah.
Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng Mediterranean burritos. So first, ito, sun-dried tomato basil. Tapos, ito, hummus. Tapos, we have couscous and secret fillings, bell pepper, tsaka avocado. Tapos first, diba, get one, and then the hummus is spread here. Then, maybe 2 spoons of couscous, and then secret fillings. Hindi yung filling peelings. Tapos ito, tapos avocado. Then drop like this and this and then that's it. Okay, this is our first try to make a Mediterranean burrito. Ito, this is what we call. Okay, kuha tayo ng isang tortilla or sun-dried tomato. Tapos, ito yung, this is what we call hummus. Hindi ko alam in Tagalog what is hummus. Tapos, spread lang natin in a circle like this. Diba? And next is couscous. Couscous and 2 spoons of couscous. And then spread. And the secret all of this. So kayo na bahala kung gaano kadami yung ilalagay ninyo. Kung matakaw yung kakain, bagyan nyo na ng marami. Tapos, ito, bell pepper, red pepper, bell pepper pala. Tapos, like this, and like that. And then, avocado in Tagalog. Tapos, malinis naman yung hands ko. 3 slice lang. Like this. So, i-wrap na natin like this. And like this. And tapos, this is what we call. Okay. Hi, babe. Can you try my first ever Mediterranean burrito? Come here.
What you got, babe?
Burrito, paborito.
Mediterranean burrito.
Oops. Masarap.
Wow. This is really good.
Totoo.
What's in it?
If you rate 1 to 10, what will be?
8.5.
8.5? It's okay. That is a first try. Burrito, paborito.
How you gonna win despite of all your setbacks? How you gonna find that needle in the haystack?